and we will rejoice and be glad in it.
Do we have Western Cape? Do we have Northern Cape? Northern Cape is not actually. It means there's a lot of work to be done in the Northern Cape.
Guys, good morning, happy Sunday. Into ngibhekene nayo. So I need to clean here. But it's 8 o'clock. It's a Sunday. Happy Sunday, guys. Yesterday was so nice, guys. A friend of mine, Umpomi, same name as me, invited me to go with her to an event that she also was invited by her friend. The event, my goodness, first of all, I was so happy. The music, the ambience, the people there, young, old, but everyone, warm heart, everyone was just there to celebrate their wins, you know. And then there were those big leaders who were also there to present their presentation, because my friend Yena, she follows some of these big leaders in Forever Living. So she's very fond of Ngobile Mselegu. I'm sure you guys know her because she's popular. So we took pictures with Ngobile because my friend was just talking about her the entire time, telling me how that woman is so wealthy, a millionaire. She stays in this luxurious, beautiful, big house in, I don't know, Mhlanga or where in Devon. And you know what? From the time we arrived, it was about Ngobile. Thank God then, because late when the event was over and we were now walking to the parking to get our car, and guess who we bump into? Ngobile. The same Ngobile that my friend was going on and on and on about. We met her, hugged her. She's a very sweet and humble lady, down to earth. Like, so she was very happy. My friend was so happy. So we took pictures with Ungobile. Whether we took pictures with Untlantla, the lady that invited us, which was my friend's friend, but now she's also my friend as well. Down to earth. Ntlantla, thank you for inviting us, Ntlantla. And then also even the team, our team now, that was dressed in red, guys. So and overall, I really enjoyed. I enjoyed the program. I enjoyed everything, guys. I was so empowered. I was so motivated. These guys, they are millionaires. They travel the world like every month or every 2 months with their children. The event took the whole day. I was literally back here 6:30 p.m. I was exhausted. I was not gonna be able to vlog. So guys, this is now 8:10 now. I wanna clean the kitchen, I wanna wash the dishes, I wanna cook, because the reason why I'm cooking so early, 8 o'clock in the morning, is because I have a rehearsal today. Do you remember, you guys remember I told you I joined a group? So we only rehearse like once a month and on a Sunday. And thank God it's not Sunday morning, but it's Sunday afternoon from 2 to 5 p.m. So that is why I want to leave. The house is clean. Supper is ready. That's exactly why then I need to do that now. Guys, I woke up and then I just did my morning routine. If you want a youthful looking skin like myself, because if you look at me you cannot even tell how old I am, but if you want a glowy, a clear skin, youthful, you know, elasticity and all of that, the advice that I received a few years back is that your skin needs to be hydrated first with water. So you have to like drink a gallon of water, or at least 2 liters every day. And also your skin must never be dry. You always have to hydrate your skin, you have to moisturize your skin. So that is why over the past few years, as because I'm getting older, before I've never had a problem with skin, to be honest with you. I've never had a problem or issues with pimples and all of that. But you know, as you get older, then the lines, they start, you know, here and then here. So you want to preserve your look, you want to continue to look youthful. So then I started researching, and then I started now buying facial products. My friends know I used to use the same bar soap that I use for the body to use for the face. If it's sunlight, I will also use the sunlight, the green bar soap, and I will not have issues with my skin. If I change and you start using Protex, I just use the same thing. But over the years, maybe I can just say now what, 2 or 3 years back, then now I started buying facial products, you know, like from the toner, you know, so from the cleanser to the toner to the serum, and then maybe like one serum for me though is okay, because like I said, I don't have issues with anything. It's just now about preserving the youthfulness and the elasticity. So maybe like a serum, and then a lotion or cream, and then what is more importantly, which is now the sunscreen, of which I don't know why again was I not using sunscreen. Guys, sunscreen, you need to start as early as you can. I know I'm a late bloomer, but then you guys, I know some of you are very young. Never leave your house without applying sunscreen. So I wish I had the privilege. I wish I knew, because I could have started maybe 20 years, maybe. So I'm only starting now, but it's okay. It's never too late, you know. But I'm just advising you, if you're young, just do that. Your kids, you know, especially because they are exposed in sunlight when they are playing, please, I know it's expensive, but it's, for me, I would rather have it than buying an LV bag. That's me though. So, but guys, yes. So that is why the first thing I always do is to brush my teeth and then do morning routine and then drink of lots of water. Like I always tell you, even when I come back from jogging. And then maybe now I'm gonna have coffee as I'm cooking and cleaning. So I'm not gonna take you to the rehearsal. Maybe I'm gonna show you like when I drive there, or maybe I'll just record when I come back. Because guys, I promised you that I'm going to continue push for 2 videos in a week, because I need to build this community. This community needs to grow. Time is moving, and you are given a year to accomplish this rule, this YouTube rule of acquiring 1,000 subscribers as well as 4,000 views. But guys, yeah, let me show you how does this work. I still cannot believe it, guys. I still can't believe it. Let me even put it on so that you guys can see. Yes, sibona siyasebenza, iyasebenza ke kodwa ke. Yasebenza, guys. McDonald's. Yo, guys. Even when I'm hungry, ngiyodlula ngithenga ama-chips or a cold drink or an ice cream, because McDonald's did the things for me. But guys, yes, later again. Let me just continue cleaning here.
Ora, siamo nascosti. Ma io sono sempre più racconto, perché dopo io ho fatto e nelle inglesi vanno a sapere. Se inglesi non sanno suonare.
Hey guys, I am from the rehearsal, you guys, from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. but we took more time, so there was a little bit of delay. But the good news is that, remember when I said we are doing a video shoot? Do you remember? So guys, they told us that on Tuesday the video will be out, so I cannot wait. But then they showed us like a preview of the video, just to get our approval. So I'm also going to share. Oh, I cannot wait. I will then add a link so that you guys can see, because I told you about it. So you deserve to see it. So guys, another thing, today I just decided, you know what, instead of just putting my lip balm or a lip gloss, how about, actually I'm lying, the bag that I was wearing today, I realized that it had because I haven't worn this bag in a long time. So I realized that it had my Ruby Woo MAC lipstick. And I was like, back in the day, I used to be a Ruby Woo babe. 2020, 2015, 2016, 2015, 16, 17, 18, I think even 19. I used to be a Ruby Woo babe. Like, I think I remember I used to not stress about makeup as long as I have this. Like today, guys. So today when I saw the lipstick in this bag, I was like, I am definitely putting it on. I haven't put this lipstick in ages. So let me put it. But that's what happened. So guys, I'm going back home. So I'm driving, going back home from rehearsal. The time it's 20 to 6. So at least from the rehearsal venue to my house, It's not so far. It's 25 minutes. So yes, guys. So I'm just driving. I'm almost home actually. Now I'm only left with 10 minutes and then I'll be home. I'm back. I am back. Yo guys. From 2 p.m. What's the time now? 20 past 6. But I got here 5 or 10 minutes ago. So I am back, you guys, and they've already dished for themselves because remember I cooked before I left, so they've dished. I'm just gonna also warm the food for myself and eat. I haven't eaten the whole day. That's how hectic today has been. Woke up, cleaned, then started cooking, and then after that, then I had to go via somewhere before the rehearsal. I had to go and do things for the music though. So guys, I did not get a chance to eat anything. The only thing I remember, drinking coffee as I was cooking and then drinking water here, and then also at the rehearsal I was also taking a lot of water. And I'm so hungry guys, so I want to warm something for myself and then eat and relax. The rehearsal is over, the event yesterday, so now my mind, I can now relax, you know, and just catch up on other people's vlog because it's a Sunday today. Sundays are for vlogging, and you guys, I hope you're also watching my vlog. But I'm so happy because you guys are always watching my vlogs and liking and sharing and subscribing. I see we are almost 100 subscribers. I'm sure by the time I upload this video on Thursday morning, I am positive we'll be hundreds by then. So happy. Yes guys, so if I don't chat to you today, yes, that's the end of today.
And all I see is changes. Trying to keep it steady and I start slipping.